Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm absolutely pumped today because I just got my hands on the KBEAR KS1 earphones. For the price, these earphones are an incredible steal. So grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's unbox these bad boys together. The packaging is sleek and minimalist. I'm loving this clean white box with the bold KBEAR logo. It feels premium right off the bat. Popping it open, the earphones are nestled in a soft foam tray, giving that high-end vibe. Inside, you get the KS1 earphones, a detachable 4-core copper cable, 3 pairs of silicone ear tips, small, medium, and large for that perfect fit, and a handy user manual. For a budget-friendly set, this is an impressive haul. I went with the white version and they look absolutely sick. The lightweight resin shells are super sturdy, yet weigh only 3.6 grams each. Talk about comfort. They've got aluminum alloy nozzles for enhanced sound clarity, and the ergonomic design hugs your ears like a dream. I've been wearing them while moving around and they stay put. No slipping, no fuss. Perfect for workouts or long commutes. Let's talk sound. Oh my gosh, it's unreal. These earphones pack a 10mm dual magnetic circuit dynamic driver, and for under $20, the audio quality is jaw-dropping. The bass is punchy and tight, ideal for hip-hop or EDM tracks that need that extra thump. The mids are smooth and warm, making vocals in pop or acoustic songs sound crystal clear. And the highs, they're crisp and detailed without ever feeling harsh. I tested them with jazz, rock, and even some classical, and they handled every genre like a pro. Plus, the passive noise cancellation is solid, so you're fully immersed in your music, no distractions. For around $10, you're getting hi-fi sound that competes with earphones costing double or more. The detachable cable is a game changer too, easy to swap or upgrade if you want. The only tiny downside, the stock cable can tangle a bit, but at this price, it's a minor quirk I can totally overlook. I'm genuinely blown away by the KBEAR KS1. They're a must-have for anyone wanting top-notch earphones on a budget, perfect for gaming, music, or just chilling. If you're as hyped as I am, drop a comment below and tell me what you think of these earphones. Have you tried them, or are you adding them to your cart? Before you go, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an unboxing, review, or tech find. I've got tons more budget-friendly gems coming your way, so stay connected for the latest in tech and audio. Until next time, keep vibing and I'll catch you in the next video.